What's up, mi gente? Today we're back in the kitchen and we're going to be making some catfish nuggets. This is all you'll need. We'll start by making our flour mix. We're going to be using some cornstarch, some Old Bay seasoning, some Old Bay blackened seasoning, some adobo, and some sazon. Now we're going to be giving it a really good mix just to make sure that all of the flavors are going to be even when we dip our catfish nuggets in there. Now we are going to be adding just a little bit of olive oil onto the catfish and another little packet of sazon. Now give that sazon a really good mix onto those catfish nuggets all evenly with that olive oil. Remember, we're adding on the olive oil just so that the flavors and the seasonings can actually stick to the catfish nuggets. Repeat this same process for every single catfish nugget. Remember, if you need some more of the cornstarch mix, then just simply make some more once you're halfway through. Now it's time to dip our catfish nuggets into the cornstarch mix. Remember to mix them up evenly inside of that batter so that they can fry nice and crispy evenly. Look at that color. They are seasoned just perfect. You can see all of our seasoning in there, and I went ahead and dropped my second batch. They should be looking like this every single time before you take them out. These came out just perfect. If you enjoyed today's recipe or you decided to try it at home, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend. Until next time.